All right, so here, once you're in this, I'm under my account, but once you're in Noah's account, you go to the modules, and then this is okay, so this is from this week. And if you look here, I'm trying to think of one that would require you to submit a picture. I think this one right here. So here, you would just go to, let me go to student view because mine is under teacher view and then it won't show you how to submit. Okay, so here in student view, you want to go into modules and then you have this week's stuff and here is an assignment. And here, now I have submit assignment. So when you go to, you just click on submit assignment and you go to choose file, you can do it. Here you have different things that you can upload. You can do a text entry, you can do the media, you can record. You can click on here and you can record yourself from this and then submit it if you want to say something or if you want to record yourself doing it. Or if you go to file upload, you can go choose file and you can go to your pictures and then like see here's my picture so I can upload any of the pictures that I already have saved in my computer. And then you would just hit, it would upload it and then you would just hit submit assignment. And that's basically it. So the pictures that you sent me, you can send them to the computer and or save them to your computer and then you can upload them that way. Okay, I hope this helps.